hair I will be showing you guys in this video is from Allove hair on AliExpress, and I will be using their Brazilian straight hair to make a wig, 28 inches and the frontal of 20 inches. You can see how the hair came. We'll go ahead and show you guys the bundles and the frontal. You guys know how I love long inches. This is their 28 inches Brazilian straight hair. You can see the weft, very full, and then the hair is very soft and silky. Also go ahead and show you guys their frontal. I think their frontal is 20 inches. All the details will be in the description box below. And then the front pre-plucked, which is very nice. Also came with some hair accessories, hairband, wig cap, and eyelashes. And I went ahead and I made a wig with the frontal and the bundles. You can see how it looks very long, 28 inches. I went ahead and put on a wavy cap like this. My cornrows are very old. I had them for more than 1 month. What I will do now is just to go ahead and place the wig on my head. This wig is made with a frontal, and I also went ahead and sewed in an elastic band so that I will be using that elastic band to secure the wig. And if you also want to learn how to make a wig, don't forget to check out my hairstyles YouTube channel, Freedomstyles, so that you will watch some tutorial videos how to make a wig with a frontal. Can see how the wig looks on me, very soft and silky, and then just apply a little bit of got to be glue. And I will just go ahead and also apply this got to big styling tools to just lay with the flyaway hairs like this. You can see the front of the wig. Brush it more. The silkiness is bomb.com. See the hair, very soft. You guys know how I love long inches. forget that this hair is from Allove Hair on AliExpress. And then this is their Brazilian straight hair. I used their 28 inches and a frontal or 20 inches to make a wig, which all the details will be in the description box below. This hair is very soft and silky. The shading is minimal, and I love this hair. I love the inches, 28 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below, and everything I used in this video will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed a few minutes, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.